Remember Operation Linda Nchi? Yes, they were there. Remember the AU mission in Somalia? Yes, they were there. Great Kenya Air Force, we wish you a happy birthday. We know you are closer. Delivered. Look at the recent floods. They were there too. For keeping our airspace safe, we Kenyans sleep well. Base after base. Talk of more air base. Like keep your air.
Hivi sasa Mheshimiwa Rais tutapata
nchi ya Uingereza kutoka kwa The Short Brothers.
Sema kwa wale Mheshimiwa Rais, huwa tunashirikiana na jeshi letu. Waziri wale mmefika kwa pamoja nasi. Ahmed, karibu sana madam.
Vice Chief of Defense Forces, service commanders and gentlemen, your ex-forces, as you lead us in celebrating ever-present support and strategic longing. Your Excellency, sir,